Good morning, children. How are you? Fine? Okay, I am also fine. And in last class, we have started our classes. So, in last class, we have studied about rhymes, we have studied about strokes. So, today we will start with our warm-up exercise once again. So, today again our Nodi is joining us. Say hi to Nodi. Hi, how are you? I am fine. Say I am fine. So we will start with our exercise, warm-up exercise. Okay? See here how Nudi is doing. You also come and join us. So you have to do as I am asking you to do. Come start again. Start all of you. Sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, 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 sit, stand, sit, stand, run children, run, 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 how will you run? You know now how to run? Like this, run children, run, 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 stop, jump high, jump, 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 stop. Roll your hands, roll, roll, roll. Like this, do your hands. Roll your hands, roll. Like this, front and back also you can do. Front also you can do. Back, front, back, front. Clap your hands. Yes, very good. Clap your hands. Again clap. Good. Jump, 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 jump. Stop. Run, 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 run. Stop. Walk, children. Walk. How will you walk? Yes. Walk, walk. Stop. Our daily activities, how we will do? We will start some. Like morning, you get up from the bed. So from sleep, this action goes to sleep. Sleep means like this. You have to show. Sleep. Then brush. Brush your teeth. How will you do brush? Brush your teeth. Yes, brush your teeth. Then take bath. Bath. When you say the action like this, take bath. Then afterwards, what you will do? Eat. Eating. This action shows eating. Show like this. Eating. Eating. Then drinking. Drinking. Show like this. Drinking. Then sleep, brushing, eating, drinking. Some more actions we will do like writing. When you write in the book, you should show writing, 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 reading, reading. You will read no ABCD like this, ABC like this. You have to reading. When you play some actions like throwing, you will throw the ball, no? Throwing, you will throw the paper in the dustbin like this. Throwing, throw the ball. You throw the ball. Catch, catch the ball. Throwing, catching, throwing, catching, throwing, catching. Then once again we will repeat. Sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, 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 stop, jump, 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 stop. Then turn around, turn round, like this, turn round, turn, turn children, turn round, run, 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 stop. Again run, 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 stop. Run, 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 stop. Then walk. Like this you have to do walking. Walk children. Walk, walk, stop. Roll your hands. Roll front. Roll. Again back. Front. Back. Front. Back. Clap your hands. Very good. Clap your hands. Tap your feet. Tap, tap, tap your feet. Down, tap. Then say hooray. Yeah, very good. Last class for nursery and LKG, what we studied? Strokes. We learned about strokes. So, strokes help us to write the numbers and the alphabets nicely and neatly. Which strokes we learned? First we learned about standing line. What is this line? Standing line. We learned about standing line. Upward to downward. Upward to downward. Say standing line. Which line this is? Standing line. Next what we learned? We learned about sleeping line. We learned about sleeping line. From left to right we draw a line, that is sleeping line. Which line? Say all of you. Sleeping line. Yes, sleeping line. Then we learn left slant line. What we learn? Left slant line. From left corner, up corner to cross right downwards, we will draw a line, that is left slant line. We will start from left side. When we start from right point upward to cross downward, we will say right slant line. So in the previous class for nursery and LKG classes, we learned 4 strokes. What are those? Standing line, sleeping line, left slant line, right slant line. With your hands, how will you do? Like this. Straight. Keep your hands straight and say standing line. Standing line, left slant line, right slant line, then sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Both slant lines you can cross some little bit. You can move downward your hand. Straight means sleeping line. Straight, when you keep your hand straight, it will become sleeping line. When you little bit bend this side, right side or left side, it will become a slant line. It will become a slant line. When you do it like this, it will become sleeping line. So, in the last class, we have learned about standing line, sleeping line, left slant line, right slant line. So, today we will learn about other strokes. So, from here, take your book, all of you, open your book, 4-rule book, take 4-rule page, write today's date. What is today's date? Yes, 16th September, right? What is the day? Wednesday. What is the day? Wednesday. So, write like that, and from here up, you have a red line. From there, you have to write like curve. It opens towards right side, like this. It is a right curve. What it is? Right curve. You have to touch these 3 lines. So, these 3 lines you have to touch it. Once again, I will show you. See, from red line to the second blue line, you have to draw like C. Like this. It is a right curve. It is a right curve. Now, next, from here, again from red line to reverse side. Reverse side. Reverse side you draw. It is a left curve. See once again. I am drawing here. Once again see here. Left curve. Like this. Right curve. Left curve. Right curve. in your book? Up curve. Which curve this is? Up curve. Then next what will come? If you open downwards, it will become down curve. What is this line? What is this curve? Down curve. Say all of you. Down curve. Down curve. Once again I am showing you how to draw from second line. From second line down to touch up red line, and again to the second line come to that point, it will become down curve. It will become down curve. Once again say right curve, left curve, up curve, down curve. Right curve, left curve, up curve, down curve. Once again say, repeat children. Left curve, sorry, right curve, left curve, up curve, down curve. So you have to write whole page these strokes. After this we will start our alphabets. So today you have to write these 4 curves. Which one? Left curve, right curve, left curve, up curve, down curve. Whole page you write today and show to your parents how. Neatly you have to touch these 3 lines. These 3 lines you should touch. So we have learned how many strokes? 8 strokes. Standing line, sleeping line, left slant line, right slant line, right curve, left curve, up curve, down curve. Have you learned children this one? So you have to complete the whole page about these strokes. So write this whole page, write neatly, slowly you have to touch all 3 lines, this one in your 4-rule book. Okay children, have you learned? Got it? Yes. Now it's our rhyming time. So last class what we learned? Twinkle twinkle. Today we will learn next rhyme, Johnny Johnny. So say all of you. Johnny Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Say again children. Johnny Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Shall we repeat once again? Come, once again we will repeat. Johnny Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. So clap your hands. Okay children, thank you. Next class we will see, learn this all strokes.